Welcome back, guys. My name is Ryan. This is Fine Detailing. If you have not subscribed, take a moment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I would appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to talk about innovation. It's very rare you see innovation in the detailing world these days. Now, there's new products coming out all the time and new raw materials in terms of chemicals and things. There is a fair amount of innovation, but they're just really like iterations of things, right? So in today's video, we're going to talk about two products that I think are really, really innovative in today's market. I think they solve a need. Are they absolute game changers?Maybe, but I think that they solve a need. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a small company, a small brand called Mad Car Care. They're out of Texas. The owner, Michael, is a disabled veteran, and he makes these products and sells them on the market. You've seen bits and pieces of them here and there in some videos, or maybe in some of my favorite product videos. So the two products we're going to talk about today are his tip holder. So I'll show you what this does in a moment. And then one of his newest products, which is I'll put the name on the screen. I forget kind of what it's called, but this is basically like a splash guard, if you will. You put this on the end of your easy detail brush, and in theory, it should stop the splashback. So now if any of you use these wheel brushes, which they're very common, the Easy Detail makes one, General Car Care from Auto Fiber makes one, they're pretty decent wheel brushes for the most part, but if you've ever used these, when it goes in and then it comes out, you wear it, right? You wear it all over you. So he's come up with this invention. It's a 3D printed thing. It's held on by zip ties, and maybe it doesn't look pretty here, but you can just trim them when it comes on. It comes in with zip ties. He mentioned you can move this piece for the best kind of coverage closest to the bristles. Now, if you have bigger wheels or deeper wheels, you might want to move it further back, and then it'll help, but it won't be perfect. So I've chosen to kind of move it as close to the bristles as possible. And I was able to get in wheels, and it worked really well. So I'll cut to this in a moment and show you it in action, but I just wanted to highlight this. I'll put the price up on the screen, and then I'll have a link in the description below. FD10 will save you 10% off if you want to give it a go. They're not terribly expensive. I think they're like 15 bucks. So there's a really cool, awesome idea. Now the other one here, it's been around for a little while, but this is a tip holder. So this is a little tip holder here. See that? And it's 3D printed. And what you do is it wraps around on your pressure washer gun, and it works on 99% of pressure washer guns. And so now it sits there on the tip. And then so what do, right? Like, you have your tip, you set it down somewhere, you put it in your pocket, or you forget where you had it, right? So this is really innovative because you can just simply, you're spraying, foam cannon. Okay, now I need to switch. And then you can just store your tip right here and then have your foam cannon on, or you can have it, on the bottom, wherever you need it to. So just extremely innovative. So this is a really cool option here. And, with that, guys, we'll get into the video. I'll show you the demo. All right, guys, I hope that was valuable for you. I just wanted to shed some light on two really innovative products. I just think they're exactly that. They're innovative. Like, do you absolutely need them? No, but they're also not very expensive. I think this is like 20 bucks. This is like 15 bucks. So if you want to take a flyer on these and give them a shot, I recommend them. I will start to use this in my business because it's brand new, but I've used this for, I don't know, almost pretty much a year now. And this is the same one. So you can have multiples here if you want different tips. This is a really, really cool option. So with that, again, if you're still watching, thank you. My code will be in the description below. FD10 will save you 10% off. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you think these are innovative? Would you use these? But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye all.